Ever pondered over the mysteries shrouded in the Bermuda Triangle? What could possibly be the cause of numerous disappearances in this infamous region? Ah, the Bermuda Triangle, a geographical enigma that has baffled minds for decades. This mysterious region, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is situated in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. It's formed by a triangle from Miami, Florida, to the island of Bermuda, and then down to San Juan, Puerto Rico, and back to Miami. Now, what makes this region so intriguing? It's the inexplicable events that have taken place here over the years. Numerous ships and aircraft have vanished without a trace, stirring up an array of theories that attempt to explain these peculiar occurrences. One such theory points towards magnetic anomalies. It's been suggested that the Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. This could potentially cause navigational confusion, leading ships and planes off course. Another theory proposes the existence of methane hydrates on the seafloor within the triangle. If these methane hydrates were to become destabilized, they could theoretically release gas bubbles capable of sinking a ship or causing an aircraft to crash. The Gulf Stream too has been implicated in the Bermuda Triangle mystery. This powerful warm ocean current is known for its rapid, turbulent, and unpredictable currents. It could potentially sweep away any evidence of a disaster, making it seem as though a ship or plane has simply vanished. Yet none of these theories have been proven conclusively. Despite extensive scientific research and investigation, the disappearances within the Bermuda Triangle remain largely unexplained. The magnetic anomalies, the methane hydrates, the Gulf Stream, all these explanations remain mere conjectures, speculative attempts to make sense of the unknown. And so we find ourselves back at the beginning, still puzzled, still questioning. The enigma of the Bermuda Triangle continues to baffle, to intrigue, and to mystify. However, none of these theories have been proven. This leads us to the question, what really happens in the Bermuda Triangle? To unravel the mystery, delve into the chronological order of incidents and accidents that have taken place in the Bermuda Triangle. Let's start our journey in the year 1918, when the USS Cyclops, a massive fuel ship of the US Navy, vanished without a trace. The vessel was making its way from Barbados to Baltimore, carrying over 300 crew members and a full load of manganese ore. The weather was clear and no distress signals were sent. The disappearance of the USS Cyclops is still considered the single largest loss of life in US naval history, not directly involving combat. Fast forward to 1945 and we encounter the infamous Flight 19 incident. 5 TBM Avenger torpedo bombers carrying 14 men disappeared during a routine training flight off the coast of Florida. The last radio transmissions were filled with confusion about direction and location despite the clear weather. An additional 13 crew members were lost when a PBM Mariner flying boat, sent out for search and rescue, also disappeared. Our chronological journey brings us next to 1961. A pair of KC-135 Stratotankers, large US Air Force planes used for aerial refueling, vanished into thin air while flying over the Atlantic. The planes were in constant radio contact and had experienced pilots at the controls, yet they disappeared without a trace. Despite extensive search operations, no wreckage or bodies were ever found. These are but a few examples of the many strange occurrences in the Bermuda Triangle. Each incident, unique in its circumstances, adds another layer to the enigma. Ships and planes have disappeared under clear skies in calm seas without any distress signals. Search operations involving significant resources and manpower have yielded no explanations, no wreckage, and no bodies. These incidents have only deepened the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle, leaving us with more questions than answers. In the wake of these puzzling disappearances, numerous search operations have been conducted. Let's explore some of them. One of the most famous search operations was conducted in the aftermath of the disappearance of Flight 19, a training flight of 5 torpedo bombers that vanished in the Bermuda Triangle in December 1945. The operation was massive, with more than 300 planes and 20 ships scouring the area for signs of the lost squadron. The search stretched on for 5 days, covering more than 200,000 square miles, but the planes and the 14 airmen aboard were never found. Adding to the enigma, a PBM Mariner aircraft, which was part of the search operation for Flight 19, also disappeared without a trace. The aircraft, with 13 crew members, vanished off the radar just 20 minutes into the mission. The subsequent search operation, one of the most extensive in peacetime history, also failed to produce any tangible results. The disappearance of the SS Marine Sulphur Queen in February 1963 sparked another significant search effort. The tanker, carrying a crew of 39 and a cargo of molten sulfur, vanished in the Florida Straits, a part of the Bermuda Triangle. The Coast Guard, aided by the Navy and Air Force, conducted a wide-ranging search operation that spanned 8 days. Despite the efforts, only a few life preservers and some debris were ever recovered. The ship and her crew remain lost to this day. Each of these operations was marked by an exhaustive search with the best of technology and resources employed. Yet they all concluded without any definitive answers, further deepening the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. The disappearances, the failed searches, the unanswered questions, they all contribute to the enduring enigma that is the Bermuda Triangle. Despite the extensive search operations, no conclusive evidence has been found to demystify the Bermuda Triangle. As we venture to the end of our journey through the Bermuda Triangle, it's time to summarize what we've learned so far. The Bermuda Triangle, a stretch of sea spanning from Florida to Bermuda to Puerto Rico, has been the subject of mystery and intrigue for decades. Its enigma lies in the unexplained disappearances of planes and ships that have sailed its waters or flown its skies, vanishing without a trace. We've journeyed through the chronology of the Bermuda Triangle, highlighting notable events that have added to its reputation. The infamous Flight 19, a group of 5 torpedo bombers that disappeared in the Triangle in 1945 without a trace, remains one of the most perplexing incidents. Then there's the SS Cotopaxi, a ship that vanished in 1925, only to be discovered nearly a century later. We've discussed various theories attempting to explain these eerie occurrences. Some believe it's due to the area's unique magnetic properties causing compass issues, while others propose underwater gas explosions or even alien abductions. However, none of these theories have been conclusively proven, leaving room for speculation and imagination. We've also delved into the extensive search operations conducted in the hopes of unveiling the truth behind these disappearances. The disappearance of Flight 19 led to one of the largest air and sea searches to date, involving hundreds of ships and aircraft. Despite these efforts, no definitive evidence or wreckage was ever found, deepening the mystery. But the Bermuda Triangle is not just about the unexplained. It's also a bustling marine highway with thousands of ships and planes traversing it safely each year. The Triangle's reputation for danger and mystery might be more a product of myth and exaggeration than reality. The Bermuda Triangle remains a mystery, a puzzle yet to be solved. As we continue to probe its depths, perhaps one day we will finally uncover its secrets.